Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, we will be working with Luvme hair, and they decided to send me this gorgeous deep wave wig. It is a 5x5 undetectable invisible lace closure wig. It is in 20 inches and it is a 180 density unit. So these deep waves are definitely really nice and full, thick, luscious. Also, it is really light and airy, and the curls are really nice and soft, juicy curls, definition. And in today's video, speaking of definition, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can go ahead and define your curls just like mine using two products. I'm going to just show you guys bits and pieces of how I did the install, but it is a glueless wig, so this wig is absolutely glueless. I can pull it up if I want to, and it is secured down using the adjustable bands that the wig comes with. So this is literally perfect. You need to get your hands on one of these because they are so affordable. So thank you again so much to Luvme hair, and if you'd like to see how I define these curls, just keep on watching. I'm finally finished, and babes, this wig is absolutely stunning. So this hair is from Luvme Hair, and they decided to send me this 5x5 undetectable invisible lace closure wig in 20 inches and 180 density. I decided after styling and all that good stuff to just throw in 2 little tiny baby hairs because this wig is gorgeous. It doesn't need no curtain drapes, like 2 little edges, and that's cute. So right now it's giving everything. The curls are nice, soft, shiny, fluffy, airy, light. I love it. I love how perfectly made this unit was. Not to mention the 5x5 parting space, so you know we're getting long part vibes, and we love that, especially for any type of short curly unit. Like, what you want is length in that part, okay? Because you don't want it to stop right here. It's gonna give wig. No, we want it all the way back here, giving scalp, okay? Period. So Luvme, you definitely did that. This hair is amazing, and might I add, shedding was little to none, so this is literally perfect. The price is super affordable, so you are going to be getting a bang for your buck, and that is pretty much it. I have nothing negative to say. Luvme always has such good quality high-end wigs, and this is definitely one of them. These deep wave curls are everything, and I'm loving it here. So if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.